Hello, friends. Welcome to Simplify Your Tech. If you are looking for a simple, clear, and effective tech tips for your iPhone, Windows, and more, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Passwords app in iOS 18. It's no longer hidden in settings, and it comes with amazing features like passkeys, autofills, password sharing, and even two-factor authentication. Stay till the end. I will share some bonus tips that will truly level up your password game. First, starting in iOS 18, the Passwords app is no longer hidden inside the settings. It's a separate app on your home screen. You can open it directly just like a Messages or Safari, or swipe down and search password in Spotlight. How to use the Password apps. First, tap on Passwords app. It will require Face ID. Inside the Passwords app, you can use the search bar at the top to find the specific accounts. Like here, you can see the first option, All. If you tap on All, it will show you the full list of the passwords in your Passwords app. You can sort them by name, date, or account type for the better organization. For that, tap on the left bottom corner and you can organize as you want. Everything is neatly categorized, even Wi Fi password and two factor codes. In the third tip, there are three smart ways to create your strong password and save it. First one is manual. To save a manual password, tap on right bottom corner on a plus sign. First option is website or link where you want to log in. Second is your username, and when you tap on the third option, password, it will suggest a strong password which you can save and use for your login. In a second option, we can create and save a password while using Safari. Swipe down and search for Safari. Here, for example, we go to the Amazon. We will tap on your account, tap on a create account, tap on continue, tap to create an account. When you tap on password, the windows pop up and it gives you option save and fill. Tap on it and passcode app automatically suggests a strong password which you can use for your account. Let's go to the Safari, go to the Gmail. At the page of sign in, Safari is automatically giving me the option to use your email account while using the passkey. So I will tap on passkey. It will scan my face ID, start to log in into my Gmail account. You can use your password app as two-factor authenticator. You don't need a separate app for the verification codes. Password app supports two-factor authentication and iPhone will autofill those six-digit codes. How it can be done? Let's do it for example. We can go to the Gmail profile, tap on the upper right corner, tap on my Gmail account, tap on manage your Google account, tap on a security, scroll down, tap on authenticator. Again, confirm my passkey for my authentication. A small window will be pop up and it will use my face ID to authenticate. Already Gmail authenticator is added. I can change it. Tap on change authenticator app. Now I can scan this code into the password app to get my authenticator codes. If I can't scan it, alternatively, I can tap on can't scan it. The authenticator app will show a long code which you can copy. Go back to the passwords, tap on codes, tap on plus, enter a setup key. Tap on Use Setup key. Next option, it will ask which account you want to associate with. Type my account and your app will be associated there for the two-factor authentication code. The sixth option is share password with the trusted people. Scroll down and you will see a option share password with family. You can tap on get started, tap on continue. You can choose a group name, whatever you like. For example, I can set here family and scroll down. You will see an option to add people or the people which have already added into your iCloud family. If there is someone new, you can tap on add people. You can type here email, number, or anything which is connected to their iCloud ID and add those people and share the password with them. In a seventh option, we will discuss the security recommendations by password app. In a left column, the third option is security. You can tap on it and see which login accounts password have been compromised. You need to change them immediately. Eighth option to delete or you remove your password. You can tap on all. Just swipe right and there will be the option delete. You can tap on delete. A small window will be pop up. Tap again on delete password and password will be deleted. This password will be stored in a deleted folder. You can tap on a deleted folder. Generally, the deleted password and passkeys are available for 30 days here. After that, they will be permanently deleted. During this time, if you change your mind, you can recover these passwords. In the ninth option, we will discuss manage and share Wi-Fi passwords. You can store Wi-Fi passwords, even generate QR codes to share them with your family members at home or office. Great for home networks, Airbnb or office setups. Tap on Wi-Fi, tap on any network you want to generate the QR code. You will see a option show network QR code. Tap on it. You can take a screenshot or a print to share with others. So this way you can easily share your Wi-Fi network with the family members or in events. Tip number 10, sync via iCloud across all devices. For this, tap on settings, tap on your Apple account, scroll down, tap on iCloud, again scroll down, tap on passwords and turn on the toggle sync this iPhone. This way, your all passwords and keychains will be synced on your iCloud. Tip number 11, AirDrop passwords instantly. You need to send a login to a friend. Open my save passwords. Tap on the account or the login ID which you want to share. On the upper right corner, you will see a symbol of AirDrop. Tap there. It will scan your Face ID and gives you an option for the AirDrop. Tip number 12, use Siri to find passwords. You can ask, Hey Siri, what's my Netflix password? Autofill settings. Tap on settings. Scroll down to the apps. Scroll down and find the passwords. Tap on passwords. Scroll down. View autofill settings. Tap there. Autofill passwords and passkeys. Tap it there and turn it on. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave your question or suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to simplify your tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Goodbye. See you in the next video with another smart tip.